In this video, I'll show you how to buy index funds on Robinhood. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the search icon at the bottom and use the search bar at the top to look for the index fund you want to buy. If you're looking to invest in an S&P 500 index fund, you can search for popular ETFs like VOOSPY or IVV. Type the ticker symbol directly into the search bar and tap on the correct result when it appears. This will take you to the fund's detail page where you can see its price, performance, and other key information. Once you're on the funds page, scroll down slightly and tap on the trade button. After that, select buy from the available options. We'll then be asked to enter the amount you want to invest. You can choose to buy in dollar amounts or shares, depending on your preference. Enter the amount you want to invest in the index fund, then tap Continue. Review your order details carefully to make sure everything looks correct. When you're ready, swipe up or confirm the order to complete your purchase. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.